All right, so tonight we're working on our so-called cut-in whip. The actual cut-in whip goes like this. We start with the right-to-right connection. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And this is just one version of this, but it sets her up for an outside turn. So for her, it's just the footwork is just whip footwork with an outside turn. For me, it's whip footwork, but a little bit different. I turn my back on her on 2. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the little pattern we put together looked like this. We went 1, 2, 3, and 4 with a turn for the guy. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and we stopped there. But you could lead a left side, a spinning left side pass like that to get the hand flipped back over. We do it one more time from this way. So this time I started with you. So we'll do a right side pass. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you saw how we lost connection, but that was all part of the plan to show you that that still works. All right, so thank you guys. Robert, it's all yours. Maria, thanks. Yeah,